The clock is ticking. Pi Network's KYC grace period. The Pi Network is transitioning to its mainnet, a major milestone in its journey. To ensure a secure and valuable network, Pi Network requires all users to complete a Know Your Customer process. This process verifies your identity and prevents fraudulent activities. Pi Network has generously provided a 6-month grace period for users to complete their KYC and migrate to the Mainnet. This period is crucial as it directly impacts the number of Pi coins you can migrate from the enclosed network to the open Mainnet. This grace period isn't just a waiting room, it's an opportunity to secure your Pi holdings. Don't miss out on maximizing your potential in the Pi ecosystem. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. 2 halves to 1 goal, KYC and Mainnet migration. The 6-month grace period is divided into 2 major phases. The first phase focuses on KYC submission. During this time, users need to submit their KYC application through the Pi browser. This involves providing basic personal information and verifying your identity using a government-issued ID. The second phase is all about Mainnet migration. Once your KYC is approved, you can proceed with the Mainnet checklist. This involves creating your Pi wallet, backing up your passphrase, and migrating your mined Pi to the Mainnet. Mark your calendars. Key dates for Pi Network pioneers. For existing Pi Network users, the countdown has already begun. The deadline for submitting your KYC application is September 30th, 2024. Following successful KYC verification, you have until December 31st, 2024 to complete your Mainnet migration. These dates are crucial for all early adopters of Pi Network. Mark your calendars, set reminders, and aim to complete your KYC and Mainnet migration well in advance of the deadlines. New to Pi? Your countdown starts now. If you're new to the Pi Network, your 6-month grace period begins the moment you join. Don't worry, you have ample time to catch up. Download the Pi Network app, start mining, and familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you're settled, focus on completing your KYC application as soon as possible. Remember, the sooner you complete your KYC, the earlier you unlock the Mainnet migration phase and secure your mined Pi. Pausing for action, resuming for progress. It's important to note that your personal 6-month countdown is not a constant ticking clock. It intelligently pauses during periods when you're actively engaged in a specific step. For example, while your KYC application is under review, the countdown pauses. Once a step is completed and you need to take further action, the countdown resumes. This ensures that you're not unfairly penalized for delays that are out of your control. Missing the deadline. Here's what happens. Missing the deadlines for KYC submission or Mainnet migration can impact the number of Pi coins you can migrate. If you fail to complete the process within the 6-month time frame, you will only be able to migrate the Pi coins you mined within the 6 months prior to your first successful Mainnet migration. This means that any Pi mined before this 6-month window won't be eligible for migration. It's crucial to understand the importance of adhering to the time frame to avoid any loss of your hard-earned Pi coins. Time is on your side, completing your checklist. Completing the KYC and Mainnet checklist is a straightforward process designed to be accessible to everyone. The Pi Network team has made the process simple and user-friendly within the Pi browser. With clear instructions and a supportive community, you can easily navigate through each step. Remember, you have 6 months. Don't feel rushed or overwhelmed. Take your time, understand each step, and reach out to the community if you need any assistance. Don't delay, migrate today, spread the word. The Pi Network's 6-month grace period is a golden opportunity for every pioneer to secure their place in the Pi ecosystem. Don't wait until the last minute. Start your KYC application today, complete your Mainnet checklist, and ensure you're ready for the exciting future of Pi Network. And while you're at it, spread the word. Remind your friends and fellow pioneers about the importance of this grace period. Encourage them to start their KYC and migration process as well. Join the Pi Network conversation on Discord. Have questions? Need help? Join the vibrant PI network community on Discord. Connect with fellow pioneers, share your experiences, and get assistance with any step of the KYC or Mainnet migration process. Let's work together to make this transition smooth and successful for everyone in the Pi network. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell for more updates.